In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an invoice in GnuCash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter your invoice items, review the totals, and post the invoice so it shows up properly in accounts receivable. Start by opening the item entry screen on your invoice. This is the area where you add the individual lines that make up the bill. Think of it as the heart of the invoice. Each line represents a product you sold or a service you provided. If your invoice window is already open, look for the section that lets you add new items. That's where we'll work. For each item or service, fill in the description, the quantity, the unit price, and the income account. Keep descriptions clear and specific so anyone reading the invoice understands exactly what was delivered. Quantities should match the units you actually bill by, hours, pieces, or another unit, and the unit price should be the rate per unit before any totals are calculated. The income account is crucial. Choose the correct revenue category, such as sales income, so your books reflect the income in the right place. This directly affects your financial reports and profit figures, so it's worth double checking. If you have multiple types of revenue, make sure each line points to the correct income account. As you add lines, GnuCash automatically calculates the totals for you. You'll see subtotals and the grand total update in real time as quantities and prices change. Use this as a quick sanity check. If the total looks off, review your quantities and unit prices. If you already use tax settings in GnuCash, any configured taxes will be included in the calculation automatically. Once all items look correct, save the invoice. Saving locks in the details you've entered so you don't lose your work and ensures everything is ready for posting. After saving, click the Post button in the invoice window, often shown as a green check mark or a similar icon. Posting is the step that moves the invoice into accounts receivable. In accounting terms, that marks the amount as owed to you and makes it part of your official books. Keep in mind, posting finalizes the invoice for your records and helps prevent accidental edits, so it's best to review carefully before you post. That's it. You opened the item entry screen, entered the details for each line, let GnuCash calculate the totals, saved, and then posted the invoice so it appears as due in accounts receivable. You're all set to keep your invoicing accurate and your books up to date.